I'm Adam C and welcome to Beaulieu Garage. This video is brought to you by carhuddle.com, the free online car show directory, and today is not a car show. Today I'm down at Beaulieu Garage, who not only sell and restore classic cars, they also hire them. So you might notice this lovely Series 1 E-Type 2+2 behind me. I'll be taking this for a drive today and giving my thoughts. So a huge shout out to Beaulieu Garage for lending me this car for the day. I'm really looking forward to getting to grips with a Series 1 E-Type.
My boyfriend's cool!
There we go. Oh, the indicators are on the wrong side. The bonnet's so long.
I know. Wow.
So it still seems a little bit cold. The steering wheel is huge. My knees are on it, but that's a given trait on a lot of these classics. Window, there's the Austin Healey. So we just went past an Austin Healey 3000, which was another car that had just been hired today from Beaulieu Garage. Quite funny that we've gone past each other. Now, another thing with the New Forest is the cows, and they don't have any kind of road awareness. So here they are, causing a scene.
Ah, they're all crossing.
I reckon there's going to be a bit of a wait here.
This is madness. There's loads of them. Hello.
Now and have a little look around the car. So here we are, parked up with this gorgeous Series 1 E-Type, the most sought after generation of the Jaguar E-Type. Not necessarily the 2+2 look, people aren't as fond of that as the Roadster, but it's still a Series 1 in bright, vibrant red, which is lovely against the chrome. We've got the wire wheels as well, the classic E-Type sticker number plates. Not a lot of cars do that. I just think it looks absolutely fantastic, especially in the Beaulieu backdrop. It's got the Webasto sunroof, so you've got the hard top, you've got the open topness of it, you've got the best of both worlds. Doors on E-Types are quite stiff, I have to point out, but that's just the nature of them. And the wing mirrors on these are probably the least practical. Let me come round. It's a portrait wing mirror, so you can't actually see much behind you, just a lot of up and down. And of course the classic E-Type wooden steering wheel alongside the black leather interior. Now you come around the back, it's got this lovely sloping rear end down to the Series 1 style slimmer rear lights. The Series 2s and 3s had the rear lights underneath the bumpers and they're a bit fatter and not quite as pretty in my view. And the rear hatch opens a little bit like this, so you've got a pulley lever just here. So you pull that, that pops it, and then you open it from the side. It's actually got a latch that I can't do one-handed. There we go. That is the hatchback of the 2+2 E-Type. And as well as the extra 2 inches of height, it also has extended the wheelbase by 9 inches, so it's even longer than the original E-Type. Take a look at the way you open the bonnet. Come round here, come round here. So we've got these 2 hooks in here. There's one this side, so you pull that out, and there's one around the other side. And then there's a latch in the middle of the bonnet. Push that, open the bonnet, and you have to be very careful because some of these don't quite have the clearance as they open. But that's fine. Some of them hit underneath in the Yoda riders and it's not great. So here we have the 4.2 litre straight 6 engine with the triple carb layout and K&N air filters. So something that's quite rare for February is the sun's just come out, as you can tell by my squinting. So we're going to open the sunroof and go for a lovely sunny drive. So,
open the hatch!
So you just open it like this. This is actually a Brysax sunroof, not a Webasto, but they're very similar. I believe my MG has a Brysax. And put it back, and then you've got this lovely visor, pops up, identical to what my MG has, lovely. And then, if you're really tall, you can drive with no roof at all. So let's go for a ride. So let's walk through of the dashboard. We've got a few lights here to say the handbrake is on, obviously the RPM and the miles per hour. Here is the choke for when the car is cold, not necessary now because it's not cold. Starter button, key in the ignition to turn. We've got lights, we've got the map light when you wanted to look at a map that's just up there, and many other switches and dials. Look at the dogs, they're so happy.
The Doberman.
Okay, there's even a grab handle for the passenger for when you're doing sporting driving. I could have done with sunglasses today. Who would have thought it in February? Now it's got 5 gears in this, no need for overdrive as a result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reverse is where 6 is as well. And most of the sound is from the engine. You get the carb induction sound rather than exhaust sound. The exhaust is pretty standard, so it's a lovely, like, raspy sound from the front of the car. When you go above like 3,500 revs, it just sounds incredible. It just keeps pulling and pulling and pulling. I love it. Initially when I first drove the car, it was quite cold, a bit misfirey, didn't quite want it to go, but that's the thing with these engines, the 4.2 straight 6 take a while to heat up, but once they're up to temperature, they are a genuinely quick car. You don't see the heat up and think, wow, that's fast, you just think it's an old classic car these days, but they are pretty quick. Once you get beyond 3,000 RPM, the engine just sings. It comes to life in first, second, third, all through all the gears, up to its top speed of 150, which we won't be doing today. It's a very, very enjoyable car. Things not great about it, the wing mirrors are pretty dreadful, but other than that, let's go to 5th. It's a nice cruiser and it's a lot quicker than I thought it was. So a huge thanks to Beaulieu Garage for lending me this car for the day. So they've got this, the Series 1 E-Type, they've got an AK-47 Cobra replica, which I'm really looking forward to trying out one day, and an Austin Healey 3000, all available for hire, classic car hire. And where a classic car might not be reachable for you, you can hire it for a day or even for a few hours just to get the idea of what a classic car is all about. For me, I much prefer a good old classic car with all the excitement, the sounds and the drama that comes with it than a modern car that's got electronic driver aids, regulations, there's no smell. The smell in this car is glorious as well. Everyone looks at you as well. And people give you the thumbs up, mainly old men, but that's fine. One last blast to open it up. So a huge thanks once again to Beaulieu Garage for lending lending me this car for the day. Follow the link in the description below for all the information about all of their stock list, not only cars for hire, but cars for sale as well. I love driving past their garage whenever I attend Beaulieu events. There's all the Jaguars, Austin Healey's, Triumphs, MGs and everything else they've got in their showroom. It looks fantastic. And to have a car like this available for anyone to hire, whether you've had classic car experience or not. I've never come across anything like that before to give this kind of opportunity. But a little bit different video to normal. I love my classics. I've got my MGB GT, which is red a bit like this, coming to the end of its restoration, so I hope to make more videos of that soon, and a lot more classic car content coming up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, but for now, thanks for watching. Look, someone's been off-roading, but it must have rained because their Subaru has shrunk. Oh.